Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul for myself and a couple other people. But I'm just jump right in and show you some things. So this, first of all, this Tea of Life. This is, let's see, white tea pomegranate. This was purchased because we were doing a bridal shower. This is one of the giveaways, and the stickers already took off. So, but it was only $3.99. So this is one of the giveaways that we have for the bridal shower we're doing. This was also purchased for the person for the bridal shower to make confetti, and it is one of the new EK Success punches that came out, and for $4.99, 2069009. So that's for the bridal shower. One of the persons had me pick that up. Then this one is a flower one, a dandelion, and it's 2068968. Same price. Pick that up for the same person. And as well as this, which is the heavy duty circle punch, 2069021, and that's the size punch, which is a 1/4 of an inch. And then they also wanted this easy align guide edge punch, which is the polka dots, and it's 2069016. And they had that one and another one like Swiss cheese. These for my sister, and this one is the My Roads. I actually own quite a few of these, but she wants some more of these, and these are only $1.19, so really good price if you want to play around with some mixed media or just scrapbook type canvases. She's doing more mixed media. But anyway, so this one is 4 inches, 2070065 for $1.19. And then this is a chipboard, which she's purchased this before, and I've shown this videos, but there's another one, 2070030 for $1.19. And that's probably, I guess, 4x6 or something like that. Actually, it looks bigger than, it's a 4x7. So that's for my sister. And this also was for my sister. She had the collection I showed you in one the Spellbinders haul before this. She had the 1, 3, 4, and 6. So this is number 5. So I think she only needs number 2 for the crafty flowers. And so this one, of course, is one of the 349s. Is 2081949. And it's called Crafty Flower 5. And then the Spellbinders number is S2172. So all of that was my sister's. This one was also hers, and this is the Bow Bunny Stitch Stamp, 2093043. And again, she uses these for background stamping and layering. This one was for me, which I'm so happy to find the refills, because I just posted a video on me making some bows with the bow maker. So this was additional 12-piece set for $1.19. I'm looking for more of these. If anybody has any, 2069118. So it's just a 12-pack of the little brads. And then I picked up this bright ephemera pad by Jane Hatfield, 2093178. It looks like that. And this one was for my sisters. I forgot about this one. This is the Bow Bunny. And this is, what's the name of this one? Something Splendid Noteworthy. 2093080. She liked the images in this one. And hopefully I can get a couple pieces from her on that one. I like them too. That was for her. And then I picked up, I found a couple more dies when I was getting the punches for them. This is the Happy Love Hello Awesome set for $4.99, and for the word set, and it is 2069042. So that's how they look. So this video is going to be up late a week, I'm sure, because this was the day of the sale, the 26, 27, whatever it was. 2069043, and I haven't had a chance to put them up because I had to go out of town, brother had surgery, and a whole bunch of stuff. So anyway, and this is the birthday die template. I thought I had this one, but because I know I saw it when it came in the first section, but I don't think I did get it. 2069041. I think I passed it the first time and didn't get it, but so they had the alphas, and I already got the numbers. I haven't seen the lowercase ones, but you know, it's always nice to have some plain alphabets. 2068957 that you can grab quickly, and of course it's 26 piece because it's 26 alphabets, and that's what they look like. And I don't think did I show the back of this one? That's what those look like. And that's the back of those tags, just in case I didn't show them. And then I hadn't seen anybody with this one. This is the large floor set 19 piece, 2068977. So nice size flowers in there. So variety of flowers. This is the only like nesting one that I've seen. 2068980 for the squares. And so that's a 9-piece set. Not sure the largest, but what's my ruler's not nearby either. It's gonna say, but it looks like it might be over 6 inches. So I mean, if you have a cuddle bug or smaller, just try to measure that to see if you find this, because if you don't have one like a Big Shot Plus, or a Vagabond, something bigger, you might not be able to cut it. I mean, you won't be able to cut the largest. You can cut obviously some of the smaller ones, but if you have a large one, it's perfect. I have a large one, so I can do that. But just to mention it, because sometimes you don't realize the shapes, the size. This is the American Thickers. This is like a jungle one. That is called Jungle. $2.19. I got some papers to match this by Bovani, as well as some zoo pictures that I thought might be cute to go along with this. 2057454, maybe for a layout. I just gotta print some pictures out. And then this was a cute little sticker set for $1.99. Popsicle. And I love the colors. It looks just like I forgot the name of the paper pad that Michael said. Oh Happy Day, LOL Lucky, because I got some washi tape to match these colors. Enjoy the little things. Hello there. It's all good. Life is sweet. You are here. Stay cool. Yummy. Give me something. All you need is love and cupcakes and frosting. Smile and chill. But it was just cute little summer. And I can't even complain about this winter for us. We've actually had a mild winter, which is really weird. Everybody around us has gotten snow like an hour away, 2 hours away, but we've actually had so many days in the 70s. I mean, it's been high as 78. It's crazy. 2077482. We've had a couple days too now. We've had some 20 days, but I'm just saying it's really weird though. But I am not complaining. I don't like being in that snow. I did pick this up because this goes with a Wild Heart, and I like to fussy cut out some of these or make some cards out of these. I thought they were cute. It is a 25 pack. That is the other side. I can also use this side for matting or whatever, using the 6x6 pad. So this is 2079211. So I thought they were cute. And then this one, my sister and I were going to split this one. She's going, well, it's for her, but she's going to give me some of the houses pages. But I'm hoping I can find the paper to go along with it. 2078639, and this is Simple Stories Domestic Bliss. Because I know I picked up some breads, I think, in the past that they had. And that is the B-side. So that is the haul. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.